Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee espresso machines. Today we're testing this Rancilio Silvia espresso machine. After replacing the hose, it was broken. Put in a new stainless steel hose like they have on the new Rancilio Silvia machines. And let's test it. So we get nice strong steam. And then let's go ahead and do a cooling flush. Alright, so there's our cooling flush, and now let's go ahead and make the shot. Now we're ready to make a shot. See the gasket's leaking a little bit. I think it's just because I didn't get it tight enough. I just tightened it with one hand while I was holding the iPad. But we didn't do anything to the gasket.
No, you felt it and said it was good.
Yeah, so I just think it wasn't tight enough. But otherwise, the machine's doing great. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.